Hey family, friends, and followers, how are you today? So yes, it is that time again. It is time to stress less. Today is Wednesday, and we have a spelling error on here, so we got to work on that. But it's Wednesday. It is May the 6th. It is actually my birthday. So I am 39 years old with 18 years of experience, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So I hope you're having a great day. I have decided that in order for me to stress less a little bit, I'm going to have to tackle something that has been on my to-do list for a very long time. So today I've sort of taken the day off, which probably the 9 people that were on the Zoom meeting, this networking meeting this morning, probably would not agree with me. So my daughter's made a wonderful breakfast for me, and sort of just what I call putzing, right? Just doing stuff. So I thought, this is something you don't see on camera, so I'm kind of letting you in on, so this is behind, my desk is there, and you usually see this way. So this is behind me, and it's really easy to have a dumping place where you can obviously just dump stuff, and if you're strategic, you can hide it, and the camera can't see it when you're on Zoom. So I just want to say thank you so much for joining me for Time Out to Stress Less. And for those of you that are joining me live, give me some thumbs up. And if you're on the replay, I love to see comments, and just let me know that you're there. So today I'm just talking about, tackling something that has been on your to-do list for a really, really long time. Now, last year I painted my office, and I took everything out, thinking, well, when everything came back in, I would, organize it and get rid of stuff and do things. So as you can see, that has not quite happened. So I thought today maybe I'd just take an hour. I'm going to set a timer for an hour, and that's going to make me feel better because it'll be a little more productive. So what I've done is I've got a paper bag for shredding, paper bag for recycling, and my trash can, I haven't quite moved it over here yet. So I'm going to start going through some of the stuff. And you know what? Just being quiet in here. I've got the window open. The birds are chirping. I've got some nice quiet music. Just take your time. I have the door closed, so my family knows not to come in and bother me. And so I'm just going to have a nice quiet time just going through stuff. So I'm cleaning. I'm being quiet. I'm being in the moment. And I'm being productive. So what are you going to do today, even if it's for 5-10 minutes? What are you going to do today that's been on your to-do list for a while and causing you some stress? So I encourage you to find something, and then you feel better about it, and your stress will go down. So again, my name is Rita Garntel. For those of you that don't know me, I'm author of Simple Self-Care Saved Me. I'm a stress management educator, and my goal in life is to help you go from feeling crappy to happy with simple self-care. So any questions, any comments, I'm here Monday through Friday, 2 p.m., Time Out to Stress Less, and I will see you tomorrow, which will be Thursday. And feel free to share this with a friend or a family member that you think maybe needs just, a little reminder to do their self-care. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'm going to get off the floor now, and I'm going to say goodbye, and I will see you tomorrow. Make it a great afternoon. Do your self-care. Bye.